Hey guys, welcome back. I'm popping on today to do a layout for the Journals for Life team. And I am doing a Traveler's Notebook spread. I've got this avocado toast Traveler's Notebook I've been working on. I'm having a ball with it. And I'm going to be working with this sketch right here. It is for January 16th. We've got a photo, label, gotta sneeze. Oh, ephemera here. It looks like a couple staples there. I could pull in a stapler. We have got a tag, ephemera in like a visual triangle, washi, stamp, 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 word, word, word. Great. I'll try to remember to put it right here while we're creating. So I chose this spread. Now the cool thing about these Traveler's Notebooks is that there's printed pages already. So I just flipped through. I saw what the sketch was and I flipped through. I'm like, what will work? Now, oh, and this tag came with the kit this month, so I definitely want to go there. I think that's going to be super fun. Great. And this is a photo I have. It's a photo of myself. This is me and my two daughters, and we are having some icy drinks, and we are looking over the, let's see, West Bay in Traverse City on the way like up this little trek we were going on. We were going exploring and we are going to go have some fun. We were actually on the way to Fishtown. Anywho, these die cuts here are all of them that I pulled that I can use on this layout. Doesn't mean I'm going to, but they are like usable towards my layout. There's no way I'm going to use them all. I just like to pull any of them out from the kit that works for what I'm thinking, if that makes sense. I also have a bunch of pre-printed labels. These are a bunch of pre-printed labels over here, and they are freebies. You go to Journals for Life and they're labels. You just download them, and I sent them out to Staples because I don't have a colored printer and got them back. It was rather cheap and it's working perfectly. Anywho, I have that. Now I do want to go ahead and map my photo just on some scrap cardstock, and I have an idea for my tag. What do you guys think of this? I've got these great sequins. These came in the kit. And I've got a tag. Great. And I found this piece of packaging. Like literally it was on my desk. It's just some clear acetate. So I'm thinking what I should be doing with it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and create myself a little shaker pocket. So I have a feeling that would be fun. So I'm going to go ahead, sew 3 sides, pull this up right here, right there, and then sew the rest after I fill it full of sequins. I think that would add a little zhuzh and bring in some of this reddish color that you see on this drink right here. So give me a second. I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. So let's check in. I went ahead and made that tag like we talked about. So I just did a really messy, obviously, stitch around. This is just some packaging that I use for the acetate. And I popped in more than half of my sequins, but I love it. I think it is so fun. So let's go ahead and get that on the page really quickly. And I'm probably going to use a tiny bit more adhesive than I normally do, just because it's a little heavier. And I already know I want to use these cups at the top, so it's going to be kind of covering that whole area. So does that look ishy enough? Is that pretty good? I think it's pretty good. So I have these 3 drinky cups, and these all look like cold drinks. So I thought that would be really a good plan to work off of that. So here's the question. Do I have one over here, or do I put all 3 here on this side? Kind of like I was thinking. I was thinking about doing something like this with the blue one in the middle, because they're both, you know, brown like these. I mean, yeah, actually, oh, guys, there's literally strawberries in this refresher and in there. I think it's meant to be. Okay, so let's get those 3 pretties on there, because I'm having way too much fun with this Traveler's Notebook kit. And guys, I talk a lot, so I didn't know. Remember when you guys place your order to use Shannon20 in the little discount code area, so you can get 20% off your order, because I love saving money. It's one of my very favorites. Okay, guys, look at, like, just stop. That is cute. And I think what I'm going to do is get the word yum right across here. On our sketch, it says words right here. So I think that's the way I'm going to get some words. by going right across my shaker. So for the most part, that side's done. That's awesome. So this side, I have just a couple pieces of scrap cardstock, which TNs are great for using some of your scraps up, guys. Oh, and you know what? There's a couple of staples on the side. Let's see. Yeah, there was a couple staples that were part of the sketch. So I think I'll use 3 because there's 3 of us. That makes more sense for me to do 3 because I have 3 drinks, 3 little hands, yada, yada, yada. So let me go ahead and put this right here. This is a grid, so I can actually line it up halfway decently. So it's down. Great. Now I get to decide on some die cuts. It does have the word label. Label, label, label. And I've got all of these great stickers. I like this "We Are Here" to bring in the blue. You know, and we're definitely in a destination. So I'm going to do that. We're overlooking the bay. It was gorgeous. That's the peninsula right there. Just so you know. I know, absolutely fascinating stuff. I also like this, such a beautiful picture, but we're in a destination, so I think that might be the best one to use. So I have that. This "We Are Here" works down there. I mean, the avocado color is super awesome, but I love that I was able to bring the blue over that is in this one. So really like the idea of like bluing it up, if that's like really a thing. Ooh. Guys, there's this great little sticker. There's stickers again with these little icy drinks, and I can use them down here to bring the blue. Oh, how cute. There's like icy drinks going on again. So I have, all right, I want to use the 3 again. Okay, I'm having way too much fun with this. So icy, 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 brown on the 2 sides with the strawberry one in the middle. Yes, please. Right there. Cute. Okay, happy as heck with that. This kind of took the place of my label. I've got my die cuts on there. Let's see, I do adore these die cuts right here. So these are these little hearts that look like those strawberries that are in the drink. So I think maybe right there, we'll just double it up. Guys, I don't know. I think I'm going to just put a couple sequins on this side, and we are going to call this one done. This was fun. It was cute. I'll show you it in 1 second once I get all the sequins on. All right, guys, I just popped a couple little sequins on this side to play off of this massive shaker pocket I have over here. I think it is super fun. Love the green of the avocado. It works with the grass. I've got die cuts. I didn't even use any of my amazing stamps, which is a bummer. I mean, look at that coffee stamp. That coffee stamp is everything right there. Okay, I am going to keep playing along in my traveler's notebook. I just thought I would show you this fun little layout. So I'm going to take some pictures, get this video up, reminding you again, save yourself some cash and use Shannon20 on your next order. And I'm going to have links down below for the website as well as for our Facebook group. Okay, bye for now.